Japan's self-heating lunchboxes have become an impressive example of how convenience, engineering, and food culture can come together in one clever product. This video explains what these lunchboxes are, how they work, and why they have gained popularity both in Japan and abroad. It also discusses the various types of self-heating systems, travel limitations, market competitors, physical dimensions, advantages and disadvantages, and overall pricing. By the end, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how this technology integrates into modern lifestyles and why it continues to expand globally. Self-heating lunchboxes function through a heat-generating reaction that warms meals without the need for microwaves, stovetops, or electrical outlets. Most Japanese disposable models rely on an exothermic chemical process using materials such as calcium oxide, also known as quicklime, or a blend of magnesium, iron, and salt. The food is packed in one compartment, while a heating pack and water pouch are stored separately inside the container. When the user pulls a tab or activates the mechanism by breaking a divider, the water meets the heating agent. This triggers a controlled release of heat and steam, which warms the meal in a matter of minutes. Because the reaction is enclosed and flameless, these lunchboxes are considered safe in public settings, including trains and outdoor environments. At this time, I would like to remind you to hit the like button and subscribe if you are enjoying this video. It's easy to do and very much appreciated. Thank you. Now, let's continue. Although Japan is known for perfecting the self-heating bento box concept, competition exists both domestically and internationally. In Japan, various regional bento makers have created their own heating technologies and packaging styles, many of which are sold at major train stations and convenience stores. Internationally, companies such as lunchbox in the United States and brands like Omibox have introduced reusable or kid-friendly versions that serve related markets. Outdoor and emergency supply manufacturers also offer self-heating meal kits that use similar chemical reactions to warm food in remote environments. While the concept began as a Japan-centered innovation, the technology is now available worldwide through online retailers and direct international shipping. Not all self-heating lunchboxes rely on the same method. Disposable models typically use single-use chemical reactions that produce heat when triggered. These are the most common in Japanese ekoben, train station boxed meals, and in emergency-ready food packs. Reusable models, however, use battery-powered heating coils or insulated heating plates. These electric lunchboxes can be recharged, offer adjustable temperature controls, and maintain consistent heat levels. While chemical versions remain ideal for outdoor adventures or emergency kits, reusable electric options provide greater reliability for everyday use, especially when reheating leftovers or preparing meals at work. Self-heating lunchboxes can generally be taken on cruises, trains, and many forms of public transportation. Battery-powered electric models, such as lunchbox, are especially convenient for frequent travelers because most are TSA approved for carry-on use. They may undergo additional security screening, but are typically permitted as long as the device is not plugged in during travel. Chemical-based models are more restricted. While they are allowed on trains and cruise ships, airlines often prohibit self-heating chemical packs due to safety concerns, potential pressure changes, and the risk of leakage. For air travel, electric models are almost always the safer and more widely acceptable option. Portability is one of the strongest advantages of Japanese self-heating lunchboxes. These products are designed to fit easily into backpacks, handbags, or briefcases, while still retaining enough internal space for a satisfying meal. Traditional Japanese disposable self-heating bento boxes are typically around 8 inches by 7 inches and about 3 inches deep, and they weigh between 1.5 to 2 pounds. Popular reusable competitors, such as the Lunchbox Pro and Lunchbox XL, offer slightly larger dimensions and heavier builds due to their batteries and heating components. However, even these models remain compact enough for daily commuting or work use, making them a practical alternative to insulated lunch bags and portable food jars. Self-heating lunchboxes provide a significant level of convenience by offering hot meals anywhere without external appliances. They save money compared to frequently buying restaurant food, help users maintain dietary control, and reduce single-use packaging in the case of reusable models. However, there are also drawbacks. Chemical heating packs are not allowed on many flights. Reusable electric models require charging and can be more expensive, and some users notice slight flavor changes from chemically heated meals. Electric models also warm food more slowly and may struggle with large or dense portions. Disposable chemical versions create additional waste, which can be a concern for environmentally conscious users. Pricing varies significantly depending on the type of lunchbox and whether it uses chemical or electric heating. Disposable Japanese self-heating bentos usually range from 700 to 1,500 yen, or roughly $6 to $12 per meal. Reusable models like Lunchbox typically retail between $120 and $200, with their larger and more advanced versions costing about $40 more. Outdoor meal packs, designed for camping or emergency preparedness, also fall in the $8 to $14 range. Thanks to increasing global interest, many of these products are now available through international retailers, making it easier than ever for people outside Japan to experience them. Japan's self-heating lunchboxes represent a clever blend of engineering and culinary convenience, allowing users to enjoy hot meals virtually anywhere. The technology ranges from simple chemical reactions in disposable models to advanced electric heating systems. In reusable versions, they offer a wide spectrum of options for travelers, commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, and emergency preparedness users. While travel restrictions differ depending on the heating method, these devices remain practical, portable, and widely available. With growing international competition and improved designs, self-heating lunchboxes continue to gain popularity as a compact, efficient, and user-friendly approach to portable hot meals. There are other brands of portable electric bento boxes pictured in this video. Have you seen any of these lunchboxes outside of Japan? Leave me a comment, then check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.